Yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get to NetSpend's prepaid debit Visa gift cards customer service. So if you're having a problem with NetSpend's Visa gift card, then like you can basically contact the number which is right behind your credit card, okay? So if you get like a physical copy of the NetSpend prepaid Visa gift card, so it's a pretty famous thing. It's a gift card, like a lot of people are using it nowadays. You put like some amount of money in it and like give it to your friend or your family member as a gift and they can use it. So that's basically what this card is. So if you're having some problem, you can basically just flip the card and you guys can see this type of number behind the card, all right? And you can contact that number, and the customer service will pick it up and you guys can talk with them. And yeah, the number changes frequently, so what you can do is just go to your Chrome browser or any search browser you want and then search for NetSpend Customer Service. Once you search for it, the number is going to be displayed over here. So it changes frequently from time to time. So if the number doesn't work somehow, then you can just contact the number by searching it on Google as well. And if you guys want to talk through a text message to NetSpend's customer service, then basically you need to download the NetSpend app from your Play Store or App Store, and then from there you can go to setting, and on setting you can go to help and contact them. So that's basically how you guys can contact NetSpend's customer service. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment and I'll answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out, bye bye, have a nice day, and do like and subscribe to our channel as well. Bye bye.